To turn off Talkback on the Redmi Note 14s, let me quickly show you how you can do this. So first of all, you need to know how to navigate through your device with this Talkback function enabled. So if you're willing to press once on any button or any function to activate it, you will not be able to perform anything because as you press once, it will get like selected. And if you want to actually go anywhere or perform any action, you have to double tap and this will open any application or perform any function, as you can see. So first you have to select, then you have to double tap to actually perform any action, and from there to actually you'll be not able to slide with one finger to, like for example, disable this application. You have to slide with two fingers simultaneously. So put these fingers, two fingers on your screen and slide like this. So as we know how to navigate through our phone, now we have to go for the settings. So let's tap once on these settings and double tap to open them. From here we will have to scroll all the way down, and to do this we have to do this with two fingers. So let's scroll all the way down with these two fingers, and from here you have to go for the additional settings. So let's tap once on the additional settings and double tap to enter. From here we have to go for the accessibility, and once again we have to tap once to select it and double tap to go in there. And from here we have to go for the vision, select once to tap once to select and double tap to enter this vision. And here's the talkback function. Once again you have to tap once, double tap to open, and here we have the switch to use talkback. So we have to press on this switch once and double tap to disable this function. And from here we have to press this button, to the stop button, once to select it and double tap to disable. And now this talkback function is disabled and we are able to use our phone like normally.